Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Ali speaking. Welcome back to another brand new fresh video. So in this video today I'm going to talk about that how can you find your gig in search result. The problem is happen when you find your gig. It's might your best-selling gig. It was ranking on first page, and somehow you edit your gig and everything is disaster. So let me show you how you can fix this issue in case your gig is not appearing in the search result. Okay, let's get into the video now. So here you see there is a help and support uh, link on the footer of Fiverr page. Even though I will place the link in the description, you can go through there. So after you come here, help and support, there you can submit a request. So on the first input box you will see select the relevant subject. So what we will select, we will select gig. Then they ask for what is the issue with your gig. Then we will choose my gig doesn't appear in search result. Okay, all right, after we click there is an option to select your gig, which gig basically. So you click here. Basically this was my active gig, and there's already around 5 to 7 cells reviews, and somehow today I edit my gig and it wasn't in the search result like before. So let me select this one, and they will see actually this is active or not. So see, I will show you the difference. There is another gig like this one. If I select it, they will tell me that your gig status is activate. Okay, active. So let's select this one, customize or clone WordPress website using div theme, because this gig I was looking for in the search result, but I didn't find it. Okay, after click here, they will say look like your gig is active but need further review. So my gig is active, but they keep it in review. They, from their team, they will review my gig, what the changes happen. Maybe there is some issue, whatever. So after that, so they said please contact us so we can check your gig and help you out, or if you still need any help with this issue, contact a customer support specialist here. So we'll click here. Okay, so let's click here. Then they ask for a subject. Okay, so let's write my active gig doesn't appear in the search result. And description, what I'll write, I already write a message. Let me paste it to save my time. So let's copy and paste. Okay, so I write something which is here, and then I don't need to attachment, and they will, I need to select for the file last time which gig actually I'm facing issue that's not appearing in the search result. So here we go, this one, and let's click on submit request. And this happened with me a lot of time, and I fixed this issue using this method. Okay, so this is the my open ticket. Okay, let's copy this ticket, and there is last step. Okay, if you don't follow this step, you will get replay within 24 hours, or less than 24 hours, or more than 12 hours. But if you follow this method, you will receive a replay or a response from the Fiverr customer support team within an hours. Okay, let's copy this one and let's go into Twitter. From Twitter we will tweet the Fiverr support page with the ticket, so they will respond very fast. Okay, let's write here Fiverr. You will see there is Fiverr support, something like that. Yeah, Fiverr support. Let's click here. Yeah, Fiverr support. Okay, I want to tweet this page. Here we go. Click on the tweets. Tweet. Yeah. So now I'll say I need help in this ticket. In this ticket. Oops. I need help in this ticket. Thanks in advance. Advance. Thanks. Advance like that. Okay. Thanks in advance. All right. So after we, oh my god, see, I forget spelling. Anyway, so after we write this message, we'll tweet. Okay, let's tweet. All right, your tweet was sent. That's all. Here we go. So that was the all about my video, and you will receive a response from Fiverr support team within an hour. So follow this way, your gig will be activated very soon. So thank you so much. If you think that this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new into my channel, please hit on the subscribe button. So thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.